Hindustan Aeronautics will showcase the first Tejas MK2 aircraft to the general public for the first time at the Aero India 2023. The critical design review of the Tejas MK2 aircraft has been completed, and the procurement process of some raw materials is in advanced stages. Tarmac Media House has revealed that the lead activities pointing towards metal cutting was started in February 2021, and the actual metal cutting process will start now, and the first Tejas MK2 aircraft will be on assembly jig by February 2022. Hindustan Aeronautics will receive two UTAM MK2 radars with rotating repositioner for integration by April 2022. The rollout of the first Tejas MK2 aircraft will happen in December 2022. That will be followed with low and high-speed taxi trials in early 2023, and its first flight will be conducted before the end of 2023. HAL plans to complete the developmental trials of the Tejas MK2 aircraft by 2027, and it will enter production by the end of 2028. While the delivery of all 36 Rafale fighter jets to the Indian Air Force was planned to be completed in January 2022, French Ambassador Emmanuel Lenin has now said that 29 Rafale fighter jets manufactured by Dassault Aviation have arrived in India, and one aircraft has been handed over to the Indian Air Force team in France, and the delivery of all 36 fighter jets will be completed by April 2022. He also added that the French destroyer Chevalier Paul has arrived in Mumbai, which is currently deployed in the Indian Ocean as part of France's permanent military presence in the region. The Indian government has signed a 357 crore rupees contract with Hindustan Aeronautics for the procurement of two fixed-base full-mission simulators for its Jaguar strike aircraft, along with 5 years comprehensive annual maintenance contract. It will enhance the quality of flying training to higher standards by exposing the pilots to various contingencies in the entire operating envelope, including simulation of advanced long-range weapons. Prime Minister Modi has handed over the first light combat helicopter to the Indian Air Force and the Shakti advanced electronic warfare system to the Indian Navy today, that will replace the older generation EW systems on frontline warships, which will provide an electronic layer of defense against modern radars and anti-ship missiles. The first Shakti system has been installed on board the first P-15B destroyer, and is currently being installed on board INS Vikrant, and 12 more Shakti systems are under production at Bharat Electronics Limited at a cost of 1,805 crore rupees, that will be integrated on remaining P-15B destroyers, P-17A stealth frigates and the Talwar-class frigates. Garden Reach Shipbuilders had signed a contract for 4 large survey vessels at 2,435 crore rupees in October 2018, and had laid the keel of the first large survey vessel in November 2019, and as per latest reports, Garden Reach Shipbuilders will launch the first large survey vessel for the Indian Navy on 6th December. The 3,300-ton vessel can accommodate 231 personnel, and will be equipped with state-of-the-art survey payload, comprising of autonomous underwater vehicles, remote-operated vehicles and multi-beam echo sounders, for conducting coastal and deep-water hydrographic surveys. The Air Forces of India and France have conducted a large force engagement joint exercise called the Desert Night 2 over the Western Seaboard. The French Air Force participated with Mirage 2000 and Rafale fighter jets, while the Indian Air Force participated with its Su-30 and Jaguar strike aircraft. The armies of India and France have also started the 6th edition of exercise Shakti 2021 in France, and it will be completed on the 26th of November.